Hi everyone, I'm going to be painting another snow scene today. So let's get started. I'm going to use my hake brush this time, and what I'm doing is I'm wetting down the entire sky area, including this area here. Now what you see here is that I've used washi tape to mask out some rooftops, which I hope are going to be white. Now I don't know whether the washi tape will actually um, let it stay white, but let's just start off by painting the whole sky with a little bit of blue, like that. I'm using my new hake brush, and the hake brush is by Winsor & Newton. Now, I've never, this is the first time I'm actually using it for a proper painting. I have done a few other things with it, but nothing like a full-fledged painting. So we've got the blue down, and I think maybe a bit more, just to intensify it. Let's just squeeze out a bit more blue here, just a bit more, just to intensify it. Okay. And now I'm going to add some Payne's grey to that. Now I'm going to wash the brush up now, and what I want to do is take a little bit of tissue and just do a little bit of lifting, just for a bit of cloud effect here. Just not too much, I mean just a little bit here. Just like that. And we can go back in and just blend where we feel that it's become too intense. Just darken it at the top here a bit more. Now whilst that's wet, I'm going to use some burnt sienna, add it to the Payne's grey. I want it quite dark, and I just want to put some trees in the back here like that. I'm hoping that the washi tape is going to actually cause some resistance, so I can lift it off and get clean clouds. Now I'm going to turn that over a little bit. And I want that to go all the way sort of across this way here. Now I'm going to wash that out. Now this is going to be snow, obviously, so what I want to do is put in some, let's just take out a little bit more ultramarine blue, because while the sky is drying, we can just, what we could do of course is, and just sort of a little trees in the back here like that. Not too fussy about. What I want to do is paint in some of the snow now while the sky is drying, and again we're going to use some ultramarine blue for that. And what we're going to do is just sort of make it seem like this. The whole thing is meant to be the sky in the water, rather, the reflection of the sky in the water. And what I want to do is take some Payne's grey as well. Put some Payne's grey at the end here, and I want to just put that into like this, and put it sort of in the distance here, just like that. It look like a bank this way, and a bank that way. I'm curious about what's going to happen with that tape that I've put on there. It's a new trick that I'm sort of trying, and to be honest with you, I don't know how it's going to turn out. So it's just a question of guessing it, really. The sky is still sort of wet, but we don't need to touch it. All I want to do is make sure this is wet. This is dry, so that I can lift off the tape and reveal, hopefully, snowy rooftops. Now I'm going to put a bit more of the blue into this, and then I'm going to take out some burnt umber. Here's burnt umber. Yeah, I want to make sure I take out burnt umber and not burnt sienna. Although they're very similar in color, to be honest with you. They are very, very similar, and you could easily mistake the two. I want to mix that with with some blue, ultramarine blue, and I want to just darker here. Yep, that's better. Put a bit more dark here. And now what I want to do is just put some trees along this way. What I'm going to do is use a rigger as well, and I'm going to make some dark brown, a little bit more blue, darken some of it up a little as well, some of them in the front here. These are going off the page because they're big trees. We're going to use that just off the side here. Show a bit of shadow. And still with the rigger, what I'm going to do is just put in the bank here and some along this way too. All the way along there. Here. And then we can take the same and just pick it up this way, that way, like that. Now what I'm going to do is go back to the rigger, and that mixture of burnt sienna. I've got an idea. Wait, I forgot to do something. Now first of all, what we do is take some deep green and we mix it with some burnt sienna, and we're just going to put some foliage in like that. This. And now wipe it off, and then just with the burnt sienna and the Payne's grey, we're just going to add the shadows here like this. We can scrape a little bit back. Put it in front of this as well a little bit. And scrape a little bit back. that way. Looking that way. And now what we're going to do is take the rigger again, and I'm going to put a lamppost here. Oh, sorry, a post here. And scrape off a little bit on the side here like that. Wet the water again. We have some foliage reflected in the water. And put a few extra lines in just to spruce it up a bit, just to give it a bit of depth. And now the wood, now that seems to be dry, so I'm going to try and lift it by, oops, there we are, look, there we go, there's one. Just try and find the corner and lift, and try and find the corner and find the corner and lift. And now I'm just going to put a bit of shadow work on the roof. What I will do is take some very, very dark spray and just under here like that. Let's just put some more, intensify the shadows here, the reflections, intensify them a bit more. Okay, I'm going to put snow right on top of this, make it seem like it's had snow fallen on it, and on top of these, and some along the trees here. What I might do is maybe, just maybe, there might be some reflections from the trees up there. Okay, now let's try and remove the tape And we have to bear in mind that this is not washi tape, of course. This is some sort of masking tape that I found in a local shop. Now, so I don't know if it's going to rip. I did take the tacking off on my clothes and the carpet and things like that, just so it reduces some of its stickiness. So let's see how it turns out. Let's try and find a corner here. Okay, look, it's not. It's taking some of it off, but not too much. Here's one. Let's try and find this other one here. Oh, look, oh my god, it's sticking. It's actually, yeah, it didn't work, this taking the tack off. It doesn't work because it's not really meant for artists, really. I don't know who it's meant for, actually, so let's check this one off now. Okay, oh my god, oh good lord, yeah. Now, what the thing to avoid here is to rip towards the paper, towards the painting, rip away from it, so if it does rip the paper, it doesn't damage the painting. So we've got that one, and now the last one here, and again, just try and away from the painting. Some of it comes off easily, some of it doesn't. Oh, see, it's sticking right there, right here, oh my gosh. Okay, all right, look, at least at least it came off. So we got a nice clean border anyway. I hope you enjoyed this painting. What did you think of this this technique with the washi tape? What did you think of that? It's actually made a nice crisp masking tape, isn't it? It's really good for masking. But of course, when you mask with that type of tape, you can only do specific big shapes. But let me know what you think in the comments section, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and consider subscribing. And see you in my next video. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.